Here's a quick vid of a bit of a milestone for me. I finally conquered an obstacle that I've never been able to do before without stalling or getting bucked sideways and having to use my feet to get up. Of course, after getting up, all seemed quite easy. Maybe it was skill, or maybe it's just the new set of Shinko 505s I just put on the bike.
Let's get a little preview here of the waterfall. Here comes the man of the hour. It's a steeper.
What's the path up there? Easy way? Or up that way? Let's do... Yeah. Let's go watch Ryan come up. He'll bite dance up this thing. That is the first time this guy's made it. Must be the cheating going on. All right, here we go. It's a little waterfall. We usually come down. Every once in a while, I'll try to come up the other way, backwards. I just come up it. I'm gonna watch the kid do it now.
That's beautiful. Little water feature. Little KTM orange, KTM tree-ish. Some peace in the wind. No.
Hard part is sand. Hard to get any traction to lock the tire over that first obstacle. These start slowing you down, and then up these faces. Here we go. Carries the front tire over the top. Punk kid. That's all I gotta say. Punk kid. I can't even walk up this stuff. You had to show off with the wheelie at the end. Nice, nice. Very nice.
Good job, Dad.